Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this 20th anniversary kit that I picked up from Paper and Grace. It's a partner shop for a traveler's company located in Montana. I had pre-ordered from them before I left the country because the release was going to be while I was in Europe. So I was really thankful that I could order directly from a partner shop while I was going to be gone. So they sent this to me. I had it delivered to my parents' address while I was out of town. So the nice thing is it has the 20th anniversary clip, has a bronze token, some extra stickers that match a lot of the themes from the past for over the years, and also a notebook. It comes with this beautiful metal tin. And then this is a piece of, I think, just cardboard that's attached to the back of it. So I really love that. I feel like I can store washi tape inside of this tin. So it's a nice little craft bag that you could stamp on and put ephemera inside of a traveler's notebook. And here's the little pieces. I always love how simple the packaging looks. So here's the 20th anniversary traveler's book, the history guide. So it's in Japanese and in English, how they've grown over the past 20 years and all the releases that they had each year. So I really appreciate this because I find that I'm starting to confuse the years as time goes on as to when I got a certain notebook or which cover did I get that year, or which of the pencil boards came out what year. So this is a really nice reference for that. This was one of my favorite series that they ever released. It was in 2021. And I also have the diner set. So really, really cool. Also this one. So this is the sticker pack. A lot of them have gold foil. Here's the one that could go with the records. This is the one that got away. I do not have this passport size with the little record charm. It's my only regret out of the whole line that I did not pick up. I really wish I had. I have this one, so that'll be added to the diner one. I have the train, Tokyo train. Of course, they also had a traveler's train, but this one I'm going to put with my Tokyo train. This one was a release one year. It was like a book theme. Traveler's Hotel was another release. And there's several hotel covers as well. And then 20th anniversary. So pretty. All of these have gold foil on them. Really pretty. Yeah, these are the stickers I always have a hard time using because they're just, limited edition. That is gorgeous. That's the brass charm specifically for the 20th anniversary. So beautiful. Love it. I actually think I like this side even better. I might end up using that side as the front. I don't know. We'll see. These are my favorite. I love their clips. They're so nice and weighted. They really hold down the pages without creasing them. It's nice and flat. Um, so in most cases, it does not leave a crease on my paper. It is going to start having some patina. This one already has some on the back. It's just beautiful. And then it comes with these cute rubber stamps. So this one says Traveler's Company, and you can make the quote say whatever you want it to say. And this one says Traveler's Notebook. You could put it that way. And then you can write whatever message you want in it as well. So cute. So that's everything that was in there. Again, I picked this up from Paper and Grace. So I'm going to put that in my traveler's notebook as well. And it came with great little ephemera pieces that I can stamp on and use as well. Well, I hope you got your 20th anniversary. They've been really good about relaunching these things that are selling out quickly. The best advice that I can give you is either pre-order from one of their partner shops, which we're getting more and more here in the US. That's how I ordered this one. Or set an alarm for yourself on your phone for the day that they're going to have a release. So check on the release date, check the time, set your alarm, and that way you can place your order in the first hour. All right, well, I hope you enjoy these Traveler's Notebook items as much as I do, and I'll see you on the next one.